Hey, what's up homies? Today I will be showing you how I install and style this wig. She is cute, sis, so stick around and keep on watching. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Jancita. Today we will be reviewing and installing this wavy wig from Asteria Hair. So I already have my wig cap on. I'm just gonna get ready and add some foundation to make it more realistic and match my scalp. Right, so I'm just gonna tuck in those baby hairs, those flyaways inside my cap. Don't mind me, I'm goofy as hell. And now we are gonna get into this wig. Let's open her up. Ooh girl, I'm excited. So it comes with this card to help you care for your wig. And it also brings a wig cap and a strap if you need that extra support for the back of your head. This is my first time purchasing from Asteria Hair. So the wig that I'm showing you today is a 6x6 closure body wave wig, and it's 200% density and it's a 22-inch. So this is the front of the wig. You can see the baby hairs. It looks so good. Like, come on. What? So this is what the inside looks like. It has 3 combs, one on the left, one on the right, and on the bottom as well. And then it also has the 2 elastics on both sides. So I know I didn't bleach my knots. I will be doing that later on. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna add some foundation onto the inside of the wig just to help it blend a little better. Okay, they did that. I gotta say, they did that, sis. This is the length. It goes right past my boobies. I'm just kind of like playing around with her, trying to get the feel for her. And honestly, for 200% density, I don't know. Honestly, it didn't feel like that. It felt like it was maybe 180, but the density is not it. It's just not it for me. So I'm parting my hair, and as you can see, it being a 6x6, you could only part it up to here. And also if you want to part it on the sides, just be mindful that you can't go too deep. Okay, so now we're getting ready to glue her down. I'm going to be using my Got2b glue, and I'm just going to add a layer of glue onto the edges of my forehead. And also guys, I noticed that my wig cap, I should have pushed her back a little further, so you might see that after I glue her down. So now for extra hold, I'm just adding the Got2b glue spray, just one more layer of that, just to make sure everything holds well together. God damn it, this is so embarrassing. So I put too much glue on my forehead, so be careful that you don't do that. Please just learn from me. What else can I say? I just put a little bit of rubbing alcohol onto a paper towel, and I'm just gonna go and remove the excess glue that's on my forehead. I'm out here living my best life, listening to some Chloe and some Haley. They're everything. And then my camera died. So I'm just gonna skip this part and show you guys the final results. So my other thing was, yeah, I really liked how the hairline was already pre-plucked, baby hairs and all. It's a bomb wig. I know I'm not the best at installing wigs and styling them. I'm still learning, but I think I did a pretty good job. Like I think I kind of did her a little justice with the baby hairs, but I don't like that I could kind of see a little bit of my lace, but I think it's because I haven't bleached my knots, obviously. So once I do that, she's gonna look a little more realistic, a little more natural. But I mean, even like this, I honestly don't mind. I would go out like this. I think she's super cute. I love that I straightened her and she is giving me everything. This hair is so bomb. Oh, that is it for this video. Let me know what you think about the hair, about Asteria Hair. Do you like this wig? What don't you like? I want to hear it all. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. I'm still trying to grow. Don't forget to share this video. Let your girlfriends know. Let your boyfriends know. Let everybody know what's good with Johncito over here. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!